How to make money online in Nigeria. I have seen 18 years old teenagers making more than $2,000 online. This is not rocket science to make this money in Nigeria. This amount is just an example. Obviously, there are no limits to earning as it depends on your skills and your attitude towards work. With the proper guidance and knowledge, you can be another success story. I will be teaching you both in this video. So stay tuned and watch till the end as this is going to be a step-by-step video. You can't miss any step. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody would like to miss the latest money making method. Today, we will be discussing 5 certified ways to make money in Nigeria, and please don't miss the number 5 because this one will shock you, as this one is being the most successful and making millionaires in Nigeria. Let's start the video. Number 1. Make money online in Nigeria with Forex trading. This is one of the smartest ways of making money online, and Forex trading can provide you payouts every day. Forex trading is online trading mostly done through a website or mobile app, and you don't require a large amount to stake. You can keep an eye on the values of foreign currencies and make your profit by trading them. You just have to know in which market to trade, and then you can make up to $400 a day even if you are a novice trader. It works 24 hours a day and from Sunday evening to Friday evening, but I'm not saying that you have to work all these hours. Successful Forex traders do trade only a few hours a day. You have to learn to analyze market, and the most important thing in Forex trading is risk management. Your success in this largely depends on how you manage the risk. If you are just starting Forex trading, keep the risk 1% or even lower. This means if you have $2,000 in your account, you should not lose more than $20 on one trade. Another factor is the win rate in Forex trading. The ideal win rate is more than 50%, but only for day traders. Forex trading has no limits, as there are people who started with little investment and now are millionaires. Not only this, Forex trading has created a few billionaires as well. Number 2. Service arbitrage or drop servicing. The name might scare you, but this is one of the simplest businesses that you can pull off and make a lot of money. This only requires communication skills and little to no technical skills. You would be selling the services of others without doing it yourself. This sounds pretty much interesting, right? Let me explain to you an example scenario of what you would be doing. A client hires you for a logo design or an app development, and you, on the other hand, get this work done by another freelancer at less price than at which you were hired. You are like a middleman who is smart enough to get work done without knowing any of the parties. Now you have known where your profit money is. And if you are thinking about where you will be getting work, the answer is simple. You can either create freelancing profiles on global freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or there are tons of Facebook groups for freelancers that have always job posting there. If you take a step further, you can hire a dedicated remote team for your projects so that you can cut the wait time whenever you get a new project. This online business is quite like dropshipping, except there are just services involved in place of physical products, and this is more interesting. Number 3. Make money online in Nigeria with Gigi. This one is the number 1 classified ad platform for making money online in Nigeria. That is not only an e-commerce place, but you also buy and sell services here. They have more than 11 million products and services listed on their website. You can sell anything here. I'm naming the few only, like vehicles, electronic equipment, furniture, property, or even your services. The process to sell here is simple. Create your account, click the photos of what you want to sell, upload and press sell. Someone who needs your product will contact you through the website and the payment procedures here. Number 4. Make money online in Nigeria with Jumia. This is the number 1 and purely e-commerce platform in Nigeria. Jumia.com is popular not only in Nigeria but in Africa well, and here you can earn money online in multiple ways. 1. You can sell your products here. 2. They have their affiliate program named as Jumia Call program, Just sign up on Jumia affiliate program and grab your affiliate link of products and promote and earn. And in other cases, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I have made detailed video on affiliate marketing that you can check out on my channel. Number 3. Or you can become Jumia sales consultant and start making money with every sale you make on their website. This is different from their affiliate program. Number 5. Crypto trading. Who hasn't heard about cryptocurrency wonders? This is still rising and now becoming a standard in payments. Bitcoins, Ethereum, Tether, and so many coins are in marketing now. And let me tell you guys that one thing is sure, and that is cryptocurrency is the future for you guys. More and more businesses and even banks are now accepting cryptocurrency. Experts are claiming that cryptocurrency will replace very soon the money we have now. Nobody is sure whether these claims are true or not, but one thing is sure, and that is you should start learning and investing in cryptocurrency as soon as possible. Start learning and understanding the market as soon as possible and buy when any of the standard coins is low and sell when it is high. My advice to you guys is that if you are new to the cryptocurrency scene, go with buying signals from experts. These signals predict with great accuracy when a coin's price will go low and when it will go high. You can't disagree with the fact that even in 2020, crypto is one of the hottest ways to make money online in Nigeria. Even with the latest Bitcoin crash, crypto is still a hot topic. There is not just one way of earning money with cryptocurrency. You can trade on Binance and other crypto exchange firms. You can trade on Future, buy and sell NFTs, and many other crypto-based jobs are available. Cryptocurrency is definitely the best way to earn online money in Nigeria. Although there are strict rules, but you still can buy and sell crypto coins legally in Nigeria. Mr. Farid Beige is an example of cryptocurrency aspirant in Nigeria. This guy is holding more than $200,000 in crypto. So, which of these means you are going to start with? Right now in Nigeria and neighboring African countries, making money online is the best way when the economy of this region is going down and is linked with the global economic problems. I have done my little part by educating you on the best ways to make money online in Nigeria. Not only these, but there are many other ways of making money online in Nigeria that we will discuss in another video. Also, you can suggest to me what you want to learn. This was all for today. Thanks for watching.